With Microsoft Viva, you can create a rich, modern employee experience. Viva Connections engages employees by giving them a curated, personalized experience that includes news, conversations, and other resources, all in one place. It meets people in the apps they already know and love, online or in Microsoft Teams, on their desktop or on mobile devices. So, critical messages are sure to cut through the noise and reach everyone. Viva Connections offers seamless integration with your company's communities. It creates an inclusive culture that enables everyone to connect with each other across the organization and contribute their valuable thoughts and ideas. And Viva Connections helps you get company news to the right people at the right time. That is, you can schedule and target announcements to employees based on your Microsoft Azure Active Directory groups. Deployment is simple too. Use your existing Microsoft Stream, SharePoint, Yammer, and Microsoft Teams infrastructures to deploy Viva Connections with minimal time and effort. You can even reinforce your organization's identity with custom branding, all while using targeted navigation that helps employees find what they need. Create engagement by empowering everyone to succeed. Viva Connections delivers a personalized experience to connect every employee with the relevant news, conversations, and communities that can transform company culture.